So it's only 100 degrees today, so I thought today would be a good day to change my own oil on the Pathfinder and test out this camera a little bit outside. Let's get started. So my Pathfinder here, I broke 200,000 miles a couple months ago, and you know, one of the things you've got to take care of, you got to change the oil regularly. It's 29 bucks. I could have it done. I bought the supplies myself for $37 with the new air filter. I'm gonna swap out too. It's $29 to go get it done when someone else does it for you, but you know, then you spend an hour, 2 hours waiting to get it done. I can knock this out in 15 minutes, really. First thing you know, you get all your supplies. Luckily, I don't have to jack the car up. I can slide right underneath there, get the oil filter off by hand, undo the oil cap, and let's get to it. There we go. I'm gonna open up the oil gun, gets all the oil, and then take out the filter from the top. Started, do it by hand. Boom. Not too messy. Stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. The next step is, got to get the oil filter. It happens to be right down there. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of tight. I got to get out in there and get my hands really greasy. Pretty easy. I had to get a rag on it because it's pretty greasy and it's kind of a messed up spot. But this is a trick my grandmother taught me. And the new one, take a little oil, and put a little oil on the thingy. Is that in frame? Put a little oil on that ring. Then put this back on. Job's pretty much done. Put the oil, you just got to put the plug back in, fill it back up with oil. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing on. Back on. I got it on. Use the rest. All my hand. Now we put the plug back in. Fill it up. Get the old oil out of the way. Make sure it's snug, not too tight. You don't need a crank on it or anything. Always get a little oil on the damn driveway. Oil. I got 5 quarts here. Only need to use 4. So I'm going to try to kind of eyeball this up. Almost dumped it. So yeah. That much of the thing. You can see this oil is like crystal clear, in contrast to the dark black oil I just took out of it. Fill it up a little more. Call that good. And I'm going to go ahead and waste a little bit of oil there. I'm going to pour the bad stuff back in here. Oil cap back on. That one. Put this back into this container. Didn't make a mess. And take this leftover this used oil, and take it back to home. Take it back to AutoZone. Let them dispose of it for you.